Nemari TikTok, imagine every day mtivo ndo yakubasa leta 2 hours zangu zekutambisana magame 3 hours. Uchiwana chiro kawana 2 cents yako zvinotoita unotopusha hustle, side hustle, the no side hustle, side hustle. We are guys, side hustle. Ati mungozojoina magame mutambe apa guys. Munhu wese apa, munhu wese must do side hustle pa Facebook pa TikTok muchitamba mese. Send them a request itari. Send tapiwa restriction guys, tapiwa restriction. Tapiwa restriction. Amount day. Tapiwa restriction yakanyora pamusoro apo chinchi orenzanzi. Tutadza kuri tapiwa restriction. Tapiwa restriction. Tapiwa restriction guys. Tapiwa restriction saka ndofana ndosaizi kukwidza. Tapiwa restriction. Kundai. Ni restriction tapiwa restriction. Uri kuona ndokutadza sei? Yakatonyora pamusoro apo kuti restriction.
Yeah, so I don't think you can add people for now, man. You never want to have a request.
Basi hapana mnakuto request. Ajustu hapana request kuoneka. Muri kudinzwa ere guys. Ameno ti restriction ye. Tara one restriction pa yango ti restriction you can't continue live ndo pa need a live.
All right.
Hands is just 10 minutes. Getting off an immediate 10 minutes actually. The guy to me 10 minutes. I do want to talk 8 minutes. The guy to me couldn't go on it. They were just like that, guys. Hi Nadia. Nadia. Eh, baby, I go. Did I to say? There are Nadia. Did you go in Ocasio of Zimbabwe?
And the so.
No, utaku kumaka pepa ya kina usoto wakafamba si anazo usoto wakafamba si.
But then the summer ones, it will really make.
Chi, what's going on? Chi. Right. All right. And dear Nadia, if you want, dear, okay. I want dinner, dear, if you want, guys. Yeah, Jacinda, and this yeah, Jacinda, that's what Tilda. I spoke to Tilda for a case on behalf of us. Tilda is opening a case on behalf of us. That's what Tilda must cut one phone error. Katara a lot near the Jessica, Shaka Oma, guys. Near the Jessica Oma. Nadia. Hello? Yes. Hi, Nadia, so TikTok per game. Hey, Chi, what's going on? Okay. What's she did? Okay. So go Dodi. Eh. What you got 800 na more boys? Okay. All right. iwe wakatumira kuna ani mari yacho? Saka wakaisa kwa kupepa kwa ye Stuart. Saka kai receivers. Hakuna hako azviko. But ndikuti yakueda mo boys wache papa, let's see. Oh. Alright. Alright, yeah, tichamudzota kuti chi varumbosvamisa sei. Ndokucha kufonera ndapedza. Nyaya dzavantu. Munyaya dzavantu guys, munyaya dzevanhu. Munyaya dzevanhu imomo. Happy birthday Kelina Sisireni. Right. So guys, TikTok yatidonedza. Tichina restriction apa. Aminoti tichaitika kudai chatibvunzi titaura men. Haisokudza vanhu. Ndatochadzisira chinde ichi. Ndozvongobowa TikTok. Saka restriction chinde ndeichi. Some pictures are social media and day.
Yes. Hello.
Right. Yeah. So guys, restriction yedu haisikuva. Hanzi verenga inokudze mapi. Ndoverenga kupi? Mina ndishandise phone itoni. Because it's my account ka. Mina itoni. Whatever you.
Kelly, are you? Kelly.
I don't know what Kelly is.
What are you saying?
Kelly.
Angela, Sangosa.
No.
Do you want to pay for my settings? Handichazivi guys. Intutuda mi guys natosiyo anzorenga ine comments sisimeli TikTok haidi munhu mumota. Angari mumota ndiani? Ndena ngari mumota. Kepti ngari mumota saka ndiyo yati block saka ndiyo ya block saka hanzi nepandisima ndikupawo ndikuiona apa saka ndikavhura neimwe phone ninge yakuda kuti ndiise account yakuda kuti ivhare iwiyo ndopari kunetsa ipapo ndopari kunetsa kuti ndivhure live neise account saka kuti ndivhure live pari kunetsa ipapo ndiona pari kunetsa ndivhure live because ndikada ngovhura live inobva yadonha ukuyoya uku. So guys, zvaramba izvi zvaramba baunze baye muri pa live for it. Let's restriction pachipo overview. access to your multi-guest life access has been restricted due to repeated community guidelines violated by guests in your life. Your multi-guest access to be restored on 21. Kwanzi titozotaka kuita mangwana guys. Na 12 same time issued on 18 April. Oh, 18, 19, 20, 20. Tapewa 4 days restriction guys. 4 days restriction. Oh. Saka pakuti appeal apande papi pakuti appeal pacho hapana pakuti appeal apa. Tatopiwa 3 days guys restriction. Tapiwa 3 days restriction. Pakuti appeal pacho handisi kupaona ini. Saka zvadhakwa guys. Zvadhakwa. Zvadhakwa. Zvadhakwa guys. Zvadhakwa guys. Tapiwa 3 months or 3 days. Consider imo kundosenda kupi kwandoziva. 3 days restriction. 3 days. Saka zvanda kuti ndakuinda guys anzi vhurai backup. Ha ndichatorivhura. Hamene utango ne alizivi kuti anzi pango ita restriction andizivi anzi muyaidi munhu ari mumota captain waya vari mumota. Yaya vari mumota. Saka zvadhakwa guys, zvadhakwa. Hapana pekuti ndiapili, handisi kutopaona pekuti ndiapili. Patorina pekuti ndiapili. Hapatorina. Hapana option yekuapila guys, there's no option. Hapana mari. Hapana option kutongomirira hanzi teumani. Manje totondi aiwa tinenge tichongo pakaipa zvandinoita manje. Pakaipa. Hanzi ndovhura kwangu. Okay, hanzi na uyu na Diamond ndovhura anovhura live kwake. Toinda. Saka tosangana musa 21 wachona kwai 21. Saka zvanenda kuzouya kana next time ndikauya pa live ndinoya pa live panapa toshandisa phone guys. Memchita zvekufona. Toenda zvese ku Facebook toya pa live muita zvekufona ndo zvatovepo kana tichaura nyaya. Anenge aita mistake akangano, anenge akangana kuti ari mumotikari. Was patita mistake, pato basic up. Patita mistake. So guys, kura kuti musvika musa 21 guys, atina edu my life atinoita. Because hapana kwiri ma gift. Kusvika 3 days hapana. 3 days kusvika time iyo same time manero. Saka hapana. Hanzi no, you can just make sure no one is in the car. Pasabude steering. So guys, saka pa 3 days stay through Facebook. Atoshotakana kira. 3 days is ku Facebook. Tozodzoka. Hanzi shandisa yangu. Kana. Right, saka guys ndakuinda tobatana edu ku Facebook. Takuindi tozodzoka hanzi mune like dei mato block. Wo. Tozozviona meno guys. Kudzidzira. You can't gift tariro because akwa mukwanise you can't gift. Amuchakwanisa gift. Ino gift ere guys. Haicha gift. And if you can gift apa. Tarisai tione. And if you can gift. I don't think avachoro vari kuisa marozi. Marozi vari kuisa vanhu. Marozi vari kuisa vanhu. Marozi vari kuisa. Kugifta ino gifta but awakwanisa kukwidza vanhu manje. Kugifta ino gifta but yakwidza nawo. Saka zvatinenge takuuya vanhu voita zvefoni. 3 days shoma. Munenge makweni matitawo ndasingaziva ndena chazobaya live kandiri mota steering yobuda ndasatombozivi. Anomaona matete enyu mukatondiudza izvi ndasingatomboziviwo. Anomaona. So guys ndakuinda andika tichazouya tutaura nyaya dzevanhu. Regai makana ndikuenda kubasa makuseni. I'm going to work early in the morning. Tozoitaura kwete nhasi kaya Jesse tichaitaura. Titetilda vari kudzoka nepati 2. Titetilda vari kuenda nepati 2 kwa Jesse. Titetilda vatobata mai vaJesse. Vandiudza kuti mai vaJesse vari kuuya. Hanzi mosva captain ndofunga vabuda motikari momo. Mawanga vari muyami. So titetilda vabata mai vaJesse. Vari kutora mai vaJesse nevamwe vanhu vari kuya kustudio. Vanenge vari kustudio. Muchawa zvakawanda. Mirai nimboningirira toni. Mirai ndimbona. Aiwa Nasima Diaries, thank you very much guys. Thank you very much guys for what you have done today. Maita basa guys. Maita basa.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Where to the game? Tango to 200 to say. Okay.
Where are you from?
UK. I mean, I'm from the United Kingdom.
Well, I'm from Pakistan.
Oh, you're from Pakistan. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
So, where are your gifters? Where are your people?
I have 0 people now this time.
So, you don't have gifters?
Maybe this time 0 people now, but maybe people coming, going, coming, going, coming, going.
Huh. How many people do you have there?
Wouldn't people coming, going, coming, going, coming, going, coming, going? This is the reason now. Thank you for help. Thank you.
Ah, thank you, Charlie. Thank you, Charlie. Thank you, Charlie, for the gifts. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Nella. Thank you, Nella. Thank you for the gifts, guys. Thank you for the gifts. I was trying to steal Tip Channel. Thank you for the gifts. Are you the one Are you the one who's getting
Guys,
those roses? 52 roses. Thank you, Tandy. Icho! Icho! Thank you, Mems. Thank you, Mems.
thank you, my friend, for roses. Thank you.
Thank you, Mems. Thank you, Mems. Kuma comments are in the pancha my comments, guys.
For roses.
My comments are in there.
Guys, one rose. One rose, guys. One
Thank
rose.
you,
One rose.
target reached. Thank you, guys. Times 2 gifting points. Times 2. Times 2, guys. Times 2 gifting points. Times 2 gifting points. Times 2. Thank you, Tari. Times 2 gifting points. Times 2. Nella. Times 2 gifting points. Times 2. Oh, no. Times 2 starting soon. Okay.
Guys, one rose. You're welcome to my life. Guys, one rose, please.
Times 2, guys. Times 2. Yachanga. Times 2. Guys, times 2. Whatever gifts she can die, guys. Whatever gifts she can write. Icho! Yeah! Thank you, Triple T. Thank you, Mems. Thank you, Mems. Times 2 gift, guys. Times 2. Guys, I'm gifts and you got times 2. Times 2, guys. Times 2. Thank you. Times 2, guys. Thank you. 30 seconds to go. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Times 2 and 8 times 2, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Times 2, guys. Times 2, times 2, times 2. Times 2. Thank you, Triple T. Thank you, Mom. G. Thank you, Tari. Thank you. Times 2. 1. 0. Thank you. Nema times 2 up and any other towards the sure 9 the sure times 2. I won, my friend. I won. Are you in Pakistan?
Yeah.
You are in Pakistan?
Yeah.
Right now you are in Pakistan. Right now.
I live Punjab. Punjab now.
Okay.
You're so strong now.
Let's go.
You play one more?
Yeah. Hey, do you want to get manje so. Send for us to get the chicken here.
My friend, can you follow me? No problem.
Why should I follow you, my friend?
I follow you. You follow back. No problem.
Okay, I'll follow you. You are tired. You saw that you can't win in it. Come on, go back. Say, man, you chicken you. Do you see the guy bring something? No, get zero. Today olive oil. Yeah, Mungo said that chance of taking and chance olive oil. Do you have a movie? Tell man. So I'm going to say that I'm going to say that bigger and to run the canal. It's fine. It's okay. Show you. Never gonna pass. It's fine. It's okay. Right, my friend, you can go because you can't win, obviously.
What?
You will not win, obviously.
I don't know what idea because I'm every time not strong. Maybe sometime I'm strong, sometime I'm small. This is not
Okay, then do a big bit here.
chicken Mickey now, chicken Mickey now.
Very good.
Chicken Mickey now.
The grain was a speaker. The grain was a speaker. Grain was a speaker. What you can just do, where you roast, still after the grain was a speaker. I'm glad I'm Gaia. The Gaia. Mamma, I can never some to say. Right. Don't be sending part to Argarashia, guys. Yeah, no person. Don't pick up don't be.
Thank you for following this time. चलो शॉर्ट है आगे शॉर्ट we 1 2 3
My friend, after this game, you can go here.
After this game I disconnect now.
Yes, you disconnect, that's fine.
Yeah, maybe you say I'm this time disconnect.
Yeah, next time, don't do it.
Welcome. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Hello, how are you?
Good.
All on my side, I recovering now. Better get here. Yeah. Now
Bye
baby.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Cut. Shakaoma. My friends. Hey, my friend. Right, guys. Ameno tinachabudikiriwa ameno zvafamba sei kamera yangu yatisa kuna ino restriction yacho naya yandibvisa pakamera restriction. Ha, ko vanhu vakukwanisa kukwira here ikuti invite one. Vanhu vakukwanisa kukwira here ikuti invite one. Saka isati yakutenga ichiti invite nakungati yakukwidza vanhu. Haisi kuita ini ndinotry invite nditry kuadd kudikuru. No, I can't climb. I kuramba. Yeah, it and can't see to join. Tapiwa restriction. Tapiwa restriction hapana. So guys, ndinde makana kubasa zvandoita mangwana ka. Zvandoita ndinoita kana ndau yakandongobaya live kuita zvekufona. Hatipere kuzvesu. Chinyaya dzevanhu. Apa time yacho yaenda ndikuenda kubasa makusi ndina singaende kubasa. Ndina ndisingaende kubasa zvanga zvichita. So chirega ndinde guys tomorrow kana kuti zvakafanana chero pamunhu magiri kwanza. Alright, Kundai ari kunovhura live page kwake. Hande kwa Kundai Kundai ari kunovhura page, ari kunovhura live page kwake. Hande kwa Kundai. Guys, thank you all the gifters, thank you vanhu supporter live it's guys vari kuuya chindai mutauri Kundai chigadzira flyer nevanhu vako uvape maflyer vatenderere then yoisa date utange wandibvunza mira ndikuudze kuti date ndirini panenge pane mechi yacho. Mira nditarise rota ugokwanisa kudi kuvisa padate kuti pane ndiripo. Mira tuone next week vapeningikire yekuti vakwanise kuningira. Kundai Saturday anditika Saturday unoisa date Saturday ndendiripo. Saturday I'll be here full time. Saka pakati pevhiki apaiti. Saka ndakupa date Saturday. Saka Saturday chigadzira flyer racho upe vanhu vatange kumaketa show yavo. Then tosangana same time then ndiripo. Tosangana pano Friday yacho yoyo. Saturday yacho yoyo antika. So guys, hande kwa Kundai. Tokwira ikoko hande kwa Kundai. Anokudza inguva. Hande kwa Kundai guys. Hande kwa Kundai.